What's up, guys? Thanks for checking out my channel and watching my video. Today we are making corn pudding. If you've ever had a corn pudding, they're really good. They're savory puddings and it's full of cream style corn. This recipe came through my mom and a friend of hers at their church named Miss Betty. And Miss Betty used to be a really good cook. She's passed away. And anyway, my mom got this recipe from Miss Betty. And this is Miss Betty's corn pudding, and you use Jiffy Cornbread in it. Actually, I have the original card, which I really love. Love finding the old recipe cards. So anyway, I wanted to make it for you guys and show you how to make it. The original recipe calls, which I found funny, was 1 stick of oleo. And that's just butter, but back in the day, they called it oleo. So, and this is the actual card from that my mom wrote from Miss Betty's recipe. Give it a try, guys. Tell me if you like it. We love this stuff. It's really rich. It's certainly not diet food with a stick of oleo, but give it a try and tell me what you think. First thing we're going to do is spray a casserole dish. Now this casserole dish, it's got high edges, so it's about 3.5 inches high, and it's about a 9-inch round. This works perfect for this. So into your sprayed bowl, we're gonna put one stick or half a cup of melted butter. All right, set that to the side. So this is our cornbread mixture. I actually forgot to hit record, so you don't have me mixing it together, but trust me. It is 1 pack of Jiffy cornbread mix, 2 cans of sweet corn. Now this is the cream style corn, 2 cans, 14.75 ounces, 2 eggs, salt and pepper to taste, and 1 medium onion that's been finely chopped. I'm so sorry I forgot to hit record, guys. So we're gonna take our corn mixture and our baking dish with the butter in it. And we're just gonna pour that right in on the top. Let's scrape it out. Now, the recipe says to take your spoon and drizzle the butter over the top that comes up on the edge, like this. All right. And I am going to sprinkle a little more pepper on the top for looks, just like that. It is ready for the oven. This will go in the the 350-degree oven on a middle shelf. Just like that. And that will bake for 45 minutes. All right, this is what it looks like when it comes out of the oven. Look how good and crusty it is. And you're gonna touch it and it's gonna be kind of firm, but not like hard, but set. All right, let's scoop a little bit out and try it. So good. Okay. It smells so good. It smells like, it's like corn, almost kind of like hush puppies, like corn mealy. Oh, God. It's really hot too. Here's to you, Miss Betty. This stuff is so good. I forgot how good it was. It's the best corn pudding you will ever make. Enjoy it, guys. Give the recipe a try and tell me what you think. Thanks for checking out my channel and watching. Don't forget to subscribe, guys.